In this video, I will show you how to join Funny Pips competition, so make sure to watch the video until the very end. Let's begin. Participating in Funny Pips running competitor offer traders an opportunity to showcase their skills and win attractive prizes. To join a Funny Pips competition, follow these steps. Visit the official website or navigate to the Funny Pips official website to stay updated on current and upcoming competition. Check for active competition to look for announcements or banners highlighting ongoing and upcoming trading competitions. For instance, Finding Pips has previously organized events like community companionships, encouraging traders to demonstrate their expertise and teamwork. FundingPPS.com review competition details or click the competition link to access the comprehensive information including registration deadlines, competition dates, price structures, specific rules and guidelines. Register for the competition. If you don't have account, create one by providing required details. Log into your account and navigate to the competition registration page. Complete any necessary forms and agree to the term and condition. Prepare for the competition. Familiarize yourself with the trading platform and tools provided by the Fundy Pips. Ensure you have understand the competition's objectives and rules. Effectively participate and monitor engage actively during the competition period. Monitor your performance and standing through the platform dashboard. Stay informed regularly. Check your email and Funding Pips website for the updates and announcements related to the competition. Please note that competition details, including dates and price structure, can vary. It's essential to refer to the official Funding Pips website or contact their support for the most accurate and up-to-date information by following these steps. You can effectively register and participate in Funding Pips trading competitions, providing a platform to demonstrate your trading powers and potentially earn substantial rewards. And that's it, you are done.